Well, May is National Hearing Month.
Speaking of not hearing something, Keith Kaiser is all ears this morning learning about some new technologies used to treat hearing impairments. Keith?
Yes, we're getting hooked up with electrodes right now. Mitch, go ahead. Dr. Mitch Campbell, yes, what are we going to be doing here, Mitch?
So we're going to be shocking your face and testing your facial nerve.
Why do you giggle when you say that? Testing the facial nerve, and so we're going to see how this ties into audiology?
Right.
That's just the ground, isn't it?
That's just the ground, so I don't get shocked.
So there it is right there. That's the apparatus. We'll see how my face jumping helps out in diagnosing audiology problems coming up on WDRB in the morning.
Keith Kaiser is having his hearing checked out this morning.
He's also having electrodes placed on his face. It has something to do with hearing. Maybe Keith requested it. It's all in honor of National Hearing Month. Keith, what in the world is going on?
They said, just put these on your face and be quiet. That's what they said. No. Dr. Mitch Campbell, set me up a little bit here on the kind of the facial nerves and how they tie into audiology and the ear. What are we learning here?
Yeah, so a lot of times people will have like a facial nerve injury, like Bell's palsy, trauma, like from a motor vehicle accident or things like this. So what we can do is we can actually test the function of the nerve to make sure that it's still going to get better or if it needs to be surgically intervened.
And rule that out as a possibility. All right. So these are sensing what on the computer?
So these are actually measuring the nerve as it responds to an electrical impulse.
The electrical impulse.
Yep.
Okay, Dr. Mary Burton, come on in and let's start with our electrical impulse here. Okay, a little nervous. Okay, go ahead there. And my face is going to jump a little bit, maybe?
A little.
Okay,
yeah.
go ahead. Let's see what we got. And So this is just on 30, right? It goes up to 40.
So the highest is 40.
And so what did we learn from that? My face is jumping, right?
It is jumping.
Okay,
yep.
that's good. My eye twitch. All right, so that was six quick bursts.
6 quick bursts.
All right, so we try it again. Should we crank?
Yeah, we'll go to 40. So this is the maximum.
And why would we want to crank this up?
Well, you want to get the maximal response from the nerve, so when you compare left to the right, that you're comparing apples to apples.
All right. Let's see what happens here with the 6.
Here we go.
Okay. I was reacting the way we wanted to react. So that's good for the audio impulses. Fantastic. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Heiser Hearing Institute for teaching me about electricity. No, but yeah, my face was stimulated, and so I can actually hear out of my ear here, so I cannot use the excuse at home. Shannon, I did not hear what you said.
We'll save that for a different test.
Different test altogether. So, Candace, Sterling, I've been electrified, I've worked on my balance, and then next I will be talking to a mannequin. Henry the mannequin in some testing.
I think Keith's probably regretting going over there.
It's more like torture TV. Hang in there, Keith.
We all jumped
we need you.
when we saw his face twitch like that.
Yeah.
Indiana voters have